Hello, you're welcome once again to my channel. And if you're just joining or viewing my channel for the first time, I'm saying thank you for stopping by and you are very welcome. My name is Oluchi, and in this video I'll be taking you through the process of my fluted pumpkin, that is ugu, in Nigeria, from the time of planting to the time of harvest and what I use it thereafter. So here, sometime last on the 16th of February, I made this video on how I planted my ugu or fluted pumpkin. So this is me here planting them in the soil. Meanwhile, this is a raised bed. It's not on any land. It's on a raised bed on the floor. So most times, most of the things I plant are in sacks or containers. So here I was just planting them here, which I later transplanted into smaller bags. So here I was planting them. The sticks in my hands was used to recognize or to point where exactly I planted them, so I can know or to tell in future the ones that did not germinate. So that's why I was using these sticks. It will tell me where the seeds are. So if after the period and some of them did not sprout, I will know. But luckily, they all sprouted. Yeah, they did. They all sprouted. So once again, thank you for watching. And please do like, do share, do subscribe. Thank you. So after planting, I covered them all up. I didn't plant too deep, just basically on this, almost on the surface, just a little beneath the surface. And then I covered up and I watered them. And then after about 2 weeks, I began to see the sproutings. The weight was a lot. The weight was a lot. I thought they would not germinate again. But luckily, I began to see them coming up one after the other. That is about after 2 weeks of waiting. So it began to sprout one after the other, and they all sprouted, all of them. Just that they were not really the big sizes. They were not really the big sizes. No, the leaves were small. Maybe that is the special of the pumpkin or the ugu. So here I was just preparing the bags. The granite, it was to help in drainage. So I added it down in the bag, the bottom of the bag, before putting in my soil. So here is the current state of my ugu seeds. Here I have the leaves already. These are the seedlings that I want to transplant. So I transplanted some of these today into the smaller bags. So here I was trying to separate it because some of them have tied. I was not supposed to wait this long, but I was not chanced. They've all tied. Some of them have merged together. I've merged, so I was trying to separate it. It was a lot of work doing this, so I ended up not. So I just got the ones that were easy to separate and uprooted them and transplanted. The rest I harvested. I pruned the rest. So keep watching. Thank you. So here I've transplanted them, about 8 of them, sorry, 10. About 10 of them I transplanted. The rest were still on the ground in the other side. So I transplanted this one to the smaller bags. I water them, so I'm going to leave them for a long while. I might leave them in these bags to grow. I might transplant later again. So the beauty of all of this is that I do this at the comfort of my home. I don't visit any farmland. All of this is in my house. The water, the manure, everything is in my compound. So here I was pruning the rest. Since it was difficult for me to separate them, I had to cut them, I had to prune them. So I'm going to use it to prepare noodles at the end. So these ones, I will allow them grow out here, or I might still transplant them to bags later. So here they are, already pruned. And here's my good harvest, the very first harvest for this season. Thank you. Really, these things give really joy. Here I am in my kitchen. Oh Lord, this is sweet. This is sweet. Please do not have any excuse not to. No matter how small your space is, you can make something out of it. So I use this to prepare instant noodles. I added it just at the end of my cooking of my instant noodles, just heated it a little with the noodles. And then the stalks, yes, this I use for manure. That is why I tied it separately. I'm going to use it, add it to my manure, my vegetable manures. Yeah, I use varieties of manure fertilizers, but they're all organic. So the ugu stalks is one of them, which I'll show you later how I added it to the rest of the manures I've been trying to ferment for a while now. Cutting my ugu. It feels so soft, and amazing at the same time. Please, by this point, if you've not liked this video, please, in the name of my God, please. So here is my noodles, ready with my ugu. Yes. So here is I was trying to add the ugu stalks to this very plant manure that I have here. Everything inside this bucket are leaves, green leaves. I've been fermenting this for about 14 days now. It's almost ready to be used, so soon I'll start using it. So thank you very, very much for stopping by. I love you. Thank you for ever subscribing to this channel. God bless you. Thank you for watching.